What is going on, everybody? It's Alex here, and we are back. Okay, thank you so much for the support on the previous video. We are up and rolling. So now, here is what we got. We got a special thing today, and I'm so excited. I was waiting for this for so long. The thing I'm gonna show you is out of stock, so you cannot get it. We'll see if we made a good investment. My best performing video on this channel, it's me unboxing the Apple Card. But today I got something more special for you, okay? The moment I saw this go online, I'm covering my address. I hope you guys can see that. I was like, sign me up. And I wish, that's like what a good investor says, right? I wish I would have bought more. That's what every good investor says. So, what do we got here, guys? Here we got right now a package which I'm gonna open up right now for you. Okay. I don't know if you guys can pick through here. Something silver. I have my product camera down here, so I'm gonna switch to my product camera so you guys can pick through there. Okay, there you go. Can you see what's up here? Something silver. Can you see? What is that? Let's see. Let's pull it out. Let's pull it out. Let me move back to me. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this up here. Pull it out. Oh man, that's gorgeous. Okay. That's so beautiful. So let's look it around. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my product camera because this camera is focused on my face, so you're gonna be better off looking at this thing right here. Okay, so this thing right here has a silver lining around. I don't think you guys know what that is unless you're a Tesla head like me, but it says Tesla Cyberwhistle and has a Tesla logo down here. I'm gonna take it off that packaging right here, make it satisfying. Hold on. Oh man, this is a matte black. It's my favorite color. I love that. So this is the packaging, okay? Has the silver lining all around, okay? Before we go to the unboxing, I'll just settle this here so it can tease you a little bit, okay? So let me show you and tell you the backstory, and after I'll unbox it, okay? That looks so good there. So here is the backstory. I'll move to my computer, show you how much I got it for, and let's discuss if I made a good investment or no. And after you watch this, we're gonna go back to the unboxing experience, like I said on the previous video. So I'm gonna move the camera to my computer. Okay, so Tesla's Cyberwhistle. There you go. This is the thing I have right here that I'm about to unbox for you. It's out of stock and they're final sales. They're not gonna remake it. It looks like the Cybertruck. It's so gorgeous. I'm so excited to unbox this thing. So that's what we have right here. I'm gonna unbox it for you very soon. Let me show you some other things they got. They got the Cyber Quad for kids. They just rolled this thing out. It's $1,900. Amazing. Looks so mean. Like we won one for us. Look at this Cyber Quad. Oh my god. When they come out with a regular like kind of version, you can park it right behind your Cybertruck. It's amazing. So here, look at the tail light. I think they got a video somewhere here. There you go. Check this out. Unbelievable. I hope that's not copyrighted. You guys can hear that. Unbelievable. Check this out. Wow. So cool. Look at these kids. Oh my god. Every day in the office is a good day if you drive this thing. So cute. Sidetracked. It's so easy. One of my problems. Anyway, so bestsellers. What they got? Cyberquad. Look at this. Okay, the last thing I'll show you. I won't tease you anymore. I'll go back to the unboxing. It says Giga Texas belt buckle. And I love that. This is gonna be back in stock. It's a 2-inch belt strap. And it says, all right, it says, don't mess with Tesla. Don't mess with Tesla. And it has a Texas logo because they have the Texas Gigafactory over there. I don't know who thought of this. It's amazing. It says, celebrate our newest Gigafactory with Giga Texas belt buckle. But you came here for something else. And here's the description. Let me give it to you from the horse's mouth. Inspired by Cybertruck. The limited edition Cyberwhistle is a premium collectible made from medical-grade stainless steel with a polished finish. The whistle includes an integrated attachment feature for added versatility. Let's see what this is all about. I'm gonna move back to camera 3. Here is our product, and let's see what good we got going on. Let's unbox it. Are you guys ready for the slow unboxing? Oh. So good. It looks so good. Okay. It's just a whistle, but it's a gorgeous whistle. Look how beautiful that is. How polished. It's beautiful. Okay. So before I take the whistle out, let me make Iron Man hold the cover. Okay, you guys ready for the sound test? Let me move it back to me. So you guys ready for the sound test? There you go. So this is the whistle. Damn, it's heavy. That's a heavy thing right here. I don't know. A $50 thing makes me so happy sometimes. It's insane. But anyway, this is gonna be our official smash the like button Cyberwhistle. Are you ready? So clean. Amazing. You can save yourself from any kind of situation here. Like,
help, smash that like button. Help, subscribe.
You know, you can do this every day, all day. I love this thing. That is such a nice piece of machinery right here. That's the added versatility they talk about. It's right here. Let me move it back to the camera 3 so you can see. That's the added versatility right here, guys. The added versatility so you can carry it around anywhere you want, okay? A piece of aluminum steel. So smash the like button Cyberwhistle will be with us for the very long time. Up until the Cybertruck comes and we'll have a Cybertruck to drive around. So yeah, the Cyberwhistle was this. Now I want to show you. You're like, Alex, are you a pendejo for buying a $50 whistle? I hope that YouTube doesn't understand Spanish and then you don't get demonetized. Let's hope. So let's see if we make a good investment, because Tesla products like this, they tend to fly out of stock and then they get sold on eBay for a much higher price. So let's see. So let's do a Tesla whistle Google search. So if you see here on eBay right away, it sells for $250. If you go to Mercury, it's $270. You can find it on eBay for $152. What is that? Like, that would be like a good flip. I wish I did that. And then they got, oh my god, updated 5 hours ago. Tesla Cyberwhistle, Cybertruck whistle. I would never sell my whistle anyway. I should have bought 2 or 3 so I can flip them for a profit and then get my whistle for free. But so if you go on Mercury, there's a Cyberwhistle right here. They got pictures of the product stolen straight from the website. Ship to, build to, I don't know. Okay, for some reason we have to know that this guy's name is Andrew. But Tesla Cyberwhistle, $270. A $50 whistle, he makes a profit of $220 plus $11.50 you pay as the customer for the delivery fee. Insane. So just like you, so when you ask, did I make a good investment? Well, that's a great investment. Man, I love this whistle. We have to go back to the Tesla theme. Anyway, so I have to do this one last time as an honor. Okay, so let me grab that whistle. I have to do it one last time. So I have to do this one last time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Should I make a drop test about it? Maybe. That's how it sounds, like a brick. Look at that. Like a brick. That's not like a credit card sound, you know. So with that said, guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you so much. Subscribe. Smash the like button and I'll catch you on the next one.